Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round your
Y'all, we done made it, y'all. We done made it. I gotta get this reaction. Look at him! Look at Terry! Yo! Hold on, wait a minute. Yo.
Oh my God. This is nice. Huh?
What do you think? What you think?
It's nice.
Y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn it. Oh, we got the lights and stuff. That's the front door.
That's me and Justin's room. Called it.
I think so. So is there one up here and two downstairs?
No, I'm not sleeping with him.
What? We trying to see the house. Hold on.
Well, me and Justin are the oldest.
Ooh, that's a big bunk bed too.
It's me and Justin's room.
That's a full queen. Can you turn the light on? Oh, we got a whole bath. Good. Thank the Lord. Okay, this is nice. What? Oh, Lord! Look at yes, indeed. Yo, we done made it now, y'all. We done made it. Okay, double vanity sinks. Wow. Don't matter to me. I don't care. Top or bottom's fine.
I'll take bottom.
Okay, I'll go on the top.
Girl, they got 3 bathrooms in here.
That's perfect, because I was hoping each body had their own bathroom.
I told Jay them no. I said we really could have brought more people if we wanted to, because look,
Yeah.
this not even a twin size bunk base.
It's full size.
That's a queen. That's not full. That's a queen size
with a
bed.
whole bathroom.
With a whole bathroom.
Yeah.
Y'all,
now.
this is too much.
that's
I can't
right
right now. I cannot.
It's a king bed canvas. Y'all can make a pillow for it in between.
Turn it
Girl, what's wrong with her? She don't want to sleep with you?
She can sleep in the sofa. I don't care.
When she first asked me, and I was like, "Girl, what the hell? Put all this freaking sleep? You been in the last week? Is something wrong with you, girl?" I went up to Palm Springs on a gondola.
Yo, what is my life right now? So we made it to Breckenridge. We made it into our townhouse. I can't believe we're here. I am just like at a loss. You know, I tried to like not have any expectations coming here, but it's ridiculous. Like I'm kind of beside myself because, you know, I'm just very thankful and grateful for right now in this moment. And this is just the beginning of the vacation, so we'll see how this goes. All right. Obviously, we had to get skincare on lock. I had to bring y'all with me. I couldn't leave y'all. I couldn't leave that. Come on now. Just because you're on vacation does not mean you drop your regimen, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. What you need a spoon for? You got some B.E. Aiken cooking. Some B.E. Aiken. Happy Thanksgiving, Mom.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, y'all.
Huh? What you put on the meat? You had some salt? Well, you got black pepper? I thought we had none.
The salt shaker. That's why you can't get nothing out but a little sprinkle.
Look at these two sisters. They got their glasses on. Their hair still red.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Good morning, y'all. It is Thanksgiving Day. We are out here in Breckenridge, Colorado, staying at this lovely resort in the townhouse, which y'all just saw. We're about to go up the mountain just to see what the people do here. So we gonna see. Oh Lord. I didn't realize until I was walking like this far in my boots, but they're like super comfortable. We're watching the dog show. Y'all look like twins right now because both y'all got black leggings on and gray. Looking like two peas in a pod.
Yeah, but if you find a better place than Ollie's. Ollie's has lots of TVs and is open today and was in the thingy-mabob and has good reviews. And has wings.
It got wings. Wings and things.
It's probably like feta. Actually, don't look like feta.
How y'all doing? Look at y'all just looking all pretty.
The CO2 machine just went down for the soda, so just be just a second. Okay?
Oh,
I'm gonna
no.
use some fresh CO2.
Oh, no.
Awesome, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Can't bring my lemon. What's your name? Is Mateo?
Mateo, yes it is. Yeah, I'll be right back with your lemon.
come
alright?
over here.
I'm done. Y'all, so we on a frozen lake right now because it's so cold up here at Breckenridge. Oh, Mandy walking on the snow. She walking on the ice. Everybody, this is my cousin, man. She my godmother, actually. My godmother. Ain't she beautiful? Do y'all see this? This is that melanin pop and black magic. You know black don't crack, y'all. You know it don't crack. So, y'all, I'm a person who likes to collect experiences. And we are here in Breckenridge, Colorado. And so while here in Breckenridge, in this town place that we're staying at, they got little spas everywhere. So what me and my daddy about to do, we about to go in the spa. So that's what's gonna happen. All right. Ooh, that felt nice. Alta was cool. Yeah. Like, we need that in Wichita. I need that in my apartment, in my house. I need a hot tub ASAP, for real, for real.
Round yon virgin mother and child.
Y'all, it's snowing. What is this, day 3 in Breckenridge? It's snowing, y'all. We about to go up in it. Y'all know I had to bring me an all-white outfit for when it's snow, as you can see. Look at this weather. It's snowing, y'all. It's snowing in Breck. Loving this so much. Y'all, this weather though. Oh, wow. This is ridiculous. Y'all see this? Y'all, let me move to Breckenridge because this weather, although cold, is completely doable. You just gotta dress warm. That's all you gotta do. And you'll be fine. That's it.
Holy infant, so tender and mild.
We walking right now. We walking. We trying to find somewhere to eat right now because we hungry. So we need something, you know, some nourishment. Okay. It's cold out here. We hungry. This is a vibe. That is also a vibe. Ridiculous vibe. We both vibes.
So we don't feel good, we can say, Keisha, hit that high note for us one time.
Y'all see what happened, huh? This is amazing. Y'all, the snow out here is unreal.
So
Driving this car?
apparently,
Break it down, Jay,
we're
break it
breaking
down.
the law right now because passenger vehicle traction law is now in effect. Passenger vehicles are required to have snow or mud snow tires, use chains, or be a four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive vehicle.
And we ain't got none of that.
This is in effect right now on I-70. So,
Y'all be going to jail.
go to jail.
On vacation of all times. Yes, auntie.
I mean, it's been fun, but
Yeah, it was a good 2 days.
Yeah.
I had fun. Yeah.
I wonder if the jails are cozy here.
Yeah, well, you know. I mean, it's just traffic jail, right?
Yeah.
It's not like real jail.
You think budget pays your ticket? They don't want to give us no snow tires?
You don't mean budget jail, you mean hurts. That is too funny. Y'all, on the real, I keep seeing all these mountain men. Like people who be skiing and snowboarding, really athletic and whatnot. They looking good. They look good. I might need to move out here to the mountains because they got some really fine people out here. I'm just saying. Hey, yo, y'all, quick story time. So we were in a jewelry store and this lady kept asking me basically who was I shopping for. And she was like, so what does she like? What's her favorite color? And I'm like, I don't know. And it took me a while to realize, like maybe like 2 seconds, that she's like, oh, she assumes that I have a girlfriend. And I'm like, oh no, it's happening. The heteronormativity is like literally like impeding on my existence right now. So that happened. She She said, well, she was like, hold on, let's make sure it's still a girl. She's like, what good are you for if you don't know her favorite color? And I'm like, well, there's actually not a girl. And she's like, oh, okay. But it's so interesting that she assumed that for one, I was looking at stuff that I was shopping for a girl, that it was my girlfriend. It could have been my mom, sister, grandmother, whatever, a friend. So yeah, that happened today. It was interesting. It felt weird, you know, having someone's assumptions of me, you know, pushed onto me, even though that's not how I live my life. But I know she didn't mean anything bad by it, but it's stuff like that. So people who are cisgendered, who are straight, you know, it makes people who are not of that same lifestyle feel kind of like our lives, like the way that we live isn't necessarily valid or isn't worth mentioning. Or you can just ask, are you still who you're shopping for? That could have been it. But don't assume, because that makes an ass out of you, not me, because I'm, you know, I'm good. The next part, why am I walking outside when it's late out? Because I just want to go see some of the city at night and see how it looks. It's cute. The city at night is a really nice place. I got a peanut butter cookie, found some wooden earrings that I liked. And that's about it. I'm trying to think, there was another instance of heteronormativity that happened today, but I can't remember what it was. So what happened was that I was at this cosmetics store, and basically I went in there to look for skincare, right? Because I work at Sephora. I was thinking maybe they have some stuff that we don't have. I just want to see, right? So I get to the store, they immediately shoo me over to the men's section. Say, oh, the men's stuff's over here. We've got cologne, we've got Tom Ford, yada, yada, yada. And I'm thinking, why is it that I have to shop in the men's section? Why can't I look at the other stuff? Why can't I look at the Estee Lauder makeup? Why can't I look at the Bobbi Brown bronzers? You know what I'm saying? Which is funny because I was wearing makeup today, so if you can't see that, ma'am, come on now. Come on now. But yeah, that happened today. So yeah, two instances of people assuming my gender expression, I guess, because of a man, which is interesting. Whatever. Life goes on. Woo, the weather, y'all, the weather. The weather. Ridiculous. As you can see, there is a thing in Breckenridge where people like to wear shorts. I wonder why that is. No judgment, I just want to know. I want to know why. Maybe because like you got done like snowboarding, you hot, so you know you don't need pants on, which makes sense. But oh, the snow though. Y'all, it is 15 degrees outside, but I don't care because we about to get in the hot tub. That's what we're about to do right now, so I'm gonna enjoy. Oh my goodness, my ears are cold. So cold. But the hot tub was nice, so there was that. Also met some people, they were in the hot tub too, or they got there right after I got there, so we just talked about Breckenridge and cruises and traveling and stuff. Really nice people. Also seemed like very affluent rich people, but hey, you gotta mingle with the people you want to be with, you know. I'm kidding. But yeah, it was nice. It's the last night in Breckenridge, so I just wanted to make sure that I enjoyed myself as much as possible. So I want to be in the hot tub. Yo, so I'm sitting here watching This Is Us, right? I'm trying to catch up. This is the Thanksgiving episode, but look at how puffy this bag is. The altitude up here makes everything super puffy. Like this is where the bar is, and ain't that ridiculous? Ain't that a little bit ridiculous? I mean, a little bit. It's the morning of departure.
Yep.
I don't want to leave the house, but we got to go.
It's a quarter less altitude.
We got to go. It's the last morning. The last morning. We're going back to Denver to catch our flight. Hopefully we can get some breakfast out there. Ooh, it's cold. Y'all have fun. Nice 5 days away from Wichita. Away from all the nothingness, it seems, at times. It's been a good trip though. Now we're about to really get into some, not mess, but we have to really change gears once we get back. Oh, okay, anyway, here we go. going to this lovely place because I was here last time and the food was amazing. So of course we have to do it again. Y'all, we have extra time before our flight, so we're in the mall right now. Say hi, Dad. Oh. So I'm just trying to find some overalls because I want something special. Really for something special. So I'm gonna let y'all know what's happening right now. My sister has got my dad to be able to buy her clothes. Like, this is just her thing. She's just able to do it, man. Like, just wrapped around her finger every time. You see that? You see that? That's how I will every time. That's how it works every time. If y'all need notes on how to get your parents to buy you clothes, ask my sister Jane. Okay, she'll let you know. Y'all, we is back at the airport because our journey is done. And so now we are here about 3 hours earlier. Now we're just trying to find some things to do because we have so much time to kill. So we'll see what happens. I don't know. We'll see. Trip is over. We're going back to Wichita. Oh my goodness, y'all. And just like that, we are done. We're back in Wichita. I'm extremely exhausted right now. My mind is kind of getting flooded with all the things that I have to do now in the next final 2 weeks of the semester for my final and my jury as well. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. If y'all have not been to Breckenridge or any part of Colorado, like Colorado Springs, Glenwood Springs, Snowmass, Denver, you know, those places, Estes Park, I would recommend going, definitely. It was a great time. I missed the snow so much, and I'm so glad that I was able to really immerse myself in a blizzard, basically. So yeah, it's literally, people always wait until I'm talking to my camera to do that, like literally, all the time. Anyway, it's literally less than an hour flight from Wichita to Denver, so I don't know how often I'm gonna be going there, but as much as time in my pocketbook allows, because I like being out there. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will just kind of end it right there. So like it if you want to, hit me up on social media if you want to, subscribe if you want to, and the last video there, the playlist over there, subscribe icon right there, do all those things, watch all the videos, and I will see you guys when I see you. All right, peace. Keep it locked. And stay warm, y'all. It's cold outside.